Wood ducks are medium-sized ducks, and are quite easy to see across much of North America. Wood ducks get their name for their habit of nesting in tree cavities. They also spend a lot of time roosting in trees, and when they are in water they prefer still, or slow-moving bodies of water surrounded by trees. Wood ducks usually eat nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, and aquatic plants. The males look different from the females. The male wood duck is brightly colored, with a somewhat bizarre face pattern, and an iridescent head, topped by a swept-back crest. In bright light, the head and crest show purple and green iridescence. The female wood duck is not as colorful, but shares the male's crested head. The female's most notable field mark is the teardrop-shaped white eye patch that stands out on her dark gray face. During the breeding season after mating, male wood ducks lose their fancy colors, molting into what is known as eclipse plumage, which leaves them looking more camouflaged like the females. Male and female wood ducks have different voices. Here's a male. And here's a female. In flight, wood ducks move swiftly, and seem to point their bills and heads slightly downward, unlike most other flying ducks. In summer, wood ducks can be found in much of the eastern United States and Canada, as well as across the northern Great Plains, and much of the Northwest. The majority of wood ducks spend the winter in the southeastern United States, or along the Pacific coast. Wood ducks are most active first thing in the morning, or late in the afternoon. Their cavity nests are usually in trees that are standing in, or near water. Their nests average 7 to 18 eggs per clutch. This large clutch size helps to offset losses of nestlings to snapping turtles, herons, foxes, raccoons, and other predators. On hatching day, the female leaves the nest and calls to the nestlings. One by one they jump out of the nest, their light body weight allowing them to float to a soft landing on the ground, after which they will follow their mom to the nearest body of water. Their bright colors make them a favorite target for waterfowl hunters. Heavy hunting losses from the early 20th century have been offset by conservation efforts for this species, with artificial nesting boxes placed in their preferred habitat of wooded swamps and woodlands near ponds, streams, and rivers.